For the next 48 hours, we're exploring Amsterdam. From top sights to unexpected hidden gems, we're showing you everything you won't want to miss on your next stopover in Amsterdam. Windmills, unlimited cheese, canals, here we come. Our very first stop here in Amsterdam is the tram station, which doesn't sound too exciting, but after yesterday's adventure of getting stuck on the tram because our time tickets ran out.
I do want to note, I didn't get stuck on the tram, only Deborah did.
We actually have to figure out the proper way to use it today. Oh no, that's our bus. Go, go, go.
We made it just in time.
We ended up getting a one-day pass for €9, which isn't too bad considering the 1.5 hour pass is $6.50. So we have some bad news. Our first stop of the day was going to be the Anne Frank house, but because we're not really planners, we didn't really look ahead, and it turns out they sell tickets 6 weeks in advance. And so there's none left. Unfortunately, we won't be able to go inside the Anne Frank house or museum, but we're gonna try to make the best of it and see the rest of the sites in the area. That was so much fun. Welcome to the Amsterdam Cheese Museum, where just a block away from the Anne Frank house, you not only get to smell the cheese for free, but there's an unlimited supply of free tastings too. Oh, I like that one. Highly recommend, and it's free, so you can't beat that. Side note, we've been seeing these cars everywhere, and they are the smallest things ever.
I think I could pick it up.
Even though we weren't able to make it inside the Anne Frank house, we did find a different experience at the Heineken brewery, and we're gonna go check it out. So this tour is entirely self-guided, and we opted for the brewery tour and the canal tour, so we get to jump in a canal boat later. So far it's been pretty cool, mostly just history about Heineken, how the company started, and how it's really become a global brand since they've opened.
What are you doing?
It's supposed to be helping the brewer, but it doesn't work.
Aww.
Can anyone tell me what color?
Gold.
Gold.
Now, secondly, we're going to smell of it, which expert tells us gives up here a fruity aroma, and it smells like bananas.
Do you smell bananas?
I don't get banana.
We're gonna say cheers because we're in the Netherlands. We're gonna do it the Dutch way. 1, 2, 3,
Yes. Now that we finished our Heineken brewery experience tour, we're heading over to catch our canal tour. It actually ended up only being like €10 more a person.
Pretty good deal.
Still out of budget, but hey, kind of cost saving.
Yeah. We got a beer for the canal tour. It was only €3.50.
What's it called?
It's a beery. We're enjoying the canal.
I think Tyler's enjoying his beer.
Yeah. Heineken.
That last hour on the boat ride was a ton of fun. However, it's not the end of our little exploring here in Amsterdam today. We're gonna go get some French fries. Making a mess, Tyler. As good as yesterday? Day 2 in Amsterdam has brought us to something that's a little ways out of the city, but something I felt like we had to see before we left Amsterdam. Our main goal for today is to see some windmills. I think they're the cutest thing ever, so I dragged Tyler along. We ended up taking the bus about an hour and a half out of the city. Hopefully we'll get to see some windmills. This may or may not be tourist central. We did see a lot of tours for the windmills, and they were about 50 a person. We took the public bus for 12, round trip. Do it our way. Fair warning, it's very windy by the windmills.
Wow, I would have never guessed.
There isn't too much to see now that we've kind of taken them in. We're gonna go explore some of the shops that are just throughout this whole entire area. Thanks for finding the windmills for me.
You're welcome. I did good. Usually I don't do that good, but I found there were lots of windmills this time.
You did good today. So we found this little shop and you can make your own hot chocolate. Large or small?
Pick.
Are you sharing?
I'll share.
So large.
Yep.
2 spoons. Big spoons because I like 2 spoons of sugar. 2 cups of water. Stir well. Here, I think I like them. Yeah.
Did you not stir enough?
I had to stir again. I didn't do it right. I also got marshmallows on top because it's hot chocolate. Thank you.
You good?
Got my hot chocolate.
All right, we finally found some Stroop waffles, so we're gonna try a Stroop waffle.
We ended up getting a fresh stroopwafel, which apparently is one of the things you have to do when you're here in Amsterdam. Oh, that's really good.
Is it?
Very cinnamony, high and crunchy on the outside, gooey on the inside. Very good. Your turn.
Thanks.
Don't eat the paper.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Isn't it? After a fun stop at the Clog Museum before heading back into the city, we decided to make a stop at a fast food restaurant unique to the Netherlands, famously known for their automatic vending machine self-service system. Welcome to FIBO. What are you getting?
A sauerkraut.
What? So cool.
Now we can eat it.
What?
All right, so you go try it?
Yeah. All right, Tyler, what is for dinner tonight?
A sauerkraut.
And what is that?
Beef, onions, and corn, I think.
That's a big bite for something we don't know.
Not bad. I'm pretty good, actually. All right, then, let's see how you like it.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Even though that didn't really live up to the hype, I thought it was pretty fun.
That was fun.
Definitely something unique to do here in Amsterdam, but we are at the end of our 48 hours here. So if you'd like to see our next adventure, which is going to be in Brussels, then make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I want a prize.
What prize?
Follow Heineken.
What kind of beer does it open?
Only Heineken, or else he said it explodes.
Just gotta find the cheese.
Yeah, it's everything German. There's no US left.
Of course. Tyler, I think since there's no US pamphlets left, you have to make up your own story.
First, they milk the cows to get milk.
I'm going to teach you first how to truly draft a heineken. Then we straighten it out. We place it. We skim it once. We wait till all the bubbles fizzle out. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Good job. Skim it. And present it to the world. Present it to the world. Present it to the world. You have to be proud of your creations. It's like children. Okay, so who won? Second one? Would you accept that beer? Who said that? Second one? Is the second one the closest? What's your name, sir? Tyler. Big applause for Tyler, our winner. Guys, here you go, Tyler. We're good pride. Big shout.
Tyler, I like your new shoes.
Thanks. They're really, really uncomfortable. You like my new shoes?
I think they're a little small.
I think so too. They might be size 50.
So good.